Guys, what's going on? It's Dan, and I am back for another GLDL match, this time against Tiny Gambit King. I apologize for the lighting, but my blinds don't do a good job of keeping stuff out. I gotta get curtains on those windows at some point. That being said, let's take a look at what he brought. We do see the Dozogiri Annihilate, which I expected all of, Screamtail, Masquerada, Salazzle. Top to bottom looks pretty standard. Trick Room mode looks good, Fast mode looks good. Trying to decide what looks better to start. No Vivillon is nice. That was the one thing I thought could be coming that could give me some problems. So I think we go ahead and start with the Trick Room mode this time since I led fast last time. And what do I want in the back? I could go Rotom. No, let's go fast anyway. I want to see what his plan is here. So if we go Roaring Moon, Rotom, Fumigo. What else do I want with this? Probably the Clodsire. Yeah, we're just going to dive on into it. The Clodsire really walls so much of his team effectively. Actually, with what he brought, it walls basically his entire team effectively. So it looks really good in both modes. Yeah, good luck, have fun to Gambit, and let's go ahead and dive on into this one. Screamtail and Salazzle. My question is, do I think he's going to try and set Trick Room? What he has in the back, it doesn't seem like a Trick Room team. Roaring Moon is basically always the Terra here. And I sort of just want to get a Dragon Dance up. And just go for a Hydro Pump on the Salazzle. Yeah, that seems fine. One of these things is going to eat a Fake Out. Which is fine, because the other one does what it wants. And I'm not sure exactly what the Screamtail is doing here, but figuring out this set is very important. Okay. That's fine. Wake Mist. I still think a Dragon Dance is safe here. I still think we go for the Hydro Pump again. Yeah. This is fine. Okay, I'm fine with this. Because I've got the Clodsire in the back, which is always going to be the fastest thing. But here I think we just Acrobatics the... Let's see. If one of these is going to be Dondozo... Acrobatics there, and... I just want to Will-O-Wisp here because I think Salazzle switches out. And is this Dondozo? Yeah, this is completely okay. Yeah. I eat that up all day. Now here, I actually think I protect the Roaring Moon. And I want to click Stored Power into the Dondozo, because I think that this is a Tatsugiri switch-in. Okay. His Dondozo can't do anything to Rotom, so that's fine. Ah, that's annoying. Okay. Lefties but burned. I don't think I actually care here. How many turns of Trick Room left? 2 turns of Trick Room left, so I can Acrobatics the slot and Stored Power the slot, because if they switch in the Tatsugiri, I get the Stored Power off, which is fine. I think I know the entire set for the Screamtail. I think it's going to be that Trick Room, Psyshock, Protect, and then I'm almost guaranteed it has Imprison. It's going to be negligible damage. I hope this breaks it. It would be great if it did, but I don't expect it to. This will break it though. If we protect the Roaring Moon, stall out the Trick Room, and we'll Hydro Pump the Screamtail slot, it should be a Tatsugiri switch, but this just punishes it if Screamtail stays in another turn. Yeah, this should be Tatsugiri, but I'm okay with this. Okay. We deal with this. Yep, this is fine. And Mirror Herb. And Stored Power is now base 220. If it subs here, this could be a problem. Yeah, okay, this could be a little bit of a problem, but again, we've got the, yeah, Burn is just going to neuter it so much. So here, I think we switch the Roaring Moon out for the Clodsire. I think Flamigo's going to come in next to this Rotom at some point. Yeah, so Roaring Moon switches into Clodsire. Rotom breaks the sub with a Stored Power. It's the speed version, it's not even the attack version. I mean, I just Toxic the slot and Stored Power. Oh no, I don't Toxic it, it's burned. Damn, be smart. Just body press it. And who even cares? We Stored Power. Dondozo should be faster now, but it doesn't matter because you can't do anything approaching kill this Rotom. Could just leave this Quagsire on the field indefinitely. Psyshock, Scream Tail could potentially hurt it, but like... Scream Tail's also just gonna die. I'll switch out the Quagsire though. Let's get the Flamigo boosted up. Thank you for your restored power boosts. Restored power to Scream Tail here. Co-star boost up. Yep. This feels gross. I don't care. I'm still at +1 for both of them. Make sure nothing stupid happens. With nothing stupid will happen. I'll just double target the Tatsugiri. No, let's make sure nothing stupid happens. Let's play this smart. Here's the fake out. Then here's, is it Icy Wind again? That might be Scarf. I'm not going to find out, but it might be. But we will find out if it's Sash. So we can Brave Bird here and Stored Power here. Something Sash, but only one of them. It's not the Tatsugiri. See if it's the Salazzle. It's not the Salazzle either. Good to know. Alright, so game 1 went well. Oh, that Rotom set is just absolutely disgusting. Yeah, but that went pretty well. Game 2 plans. Do I want to bring the Trick Room mode? I mean, game 1 went about as well as it could, so I don't expect it, if I bring the same team, to go that well again. Let's see. Team cranking. I probably just want to go with the same stuff again. Meowscarada is the one potential annoyance point for my Rotom. But again, I've got Roaring Moon, Flamigo, and Clodsire for it. And I don't want to... I like... Meowscarada is only good against Rotom, too, is the thing. So I think we do the same... I think we lead the exact same way. If there's a Meowscarada, we have to... We have to play more carefully if there's Meowscarada. It might be a Clodsire Haze game. Yeah, no Annihilape, no Meowscarada last time. Is Annihilape an issue for that set? I don't think hugely. He's less likely to just set my Rotom up for free this game, is the problem. Okay, I don't have to make a decision here. Let's see. Do I think it's just going to be a Tatsugiri switch in? I think it's always safe to protect here and Will-O-Wisp the Dozo. Ooh, okay, that hit hard. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Let's think through it logically. I think we have to Dragon Claw this slot, and if it's a... because I think that they go for the... No. We Dragon Dance here. And Protect. That Will-O-Wisp miss hurts. Because we know this allows us not Scarf. Or not Sash. Okay, good, no switching. Ooh, that could be a really good double up. Straight for the sub. That's bold. Okay. So this should be a Tatsugiri switch in, but this covers for Salazzle staying in and just going for the Rotom. If it is a Tatsugiri switch in, I want stored power. Here. Okay. I think he's playing this very well. Because this should go into the Rotom this turn, right? And that'll actually hurt. This is almost certainly the Tatsugiri switch in though. So we Dragon Claw here. I think we double up into the Dondozo slot. Get as much damage onto it as possible. Survives. Okay. Yeah, he played The play here is Clodsire. Kinda just want to Toxic it. Protect. Is this Clod? I was about to say I don't think Clodsire could win before, but if any of my Pokemon could, it is the Clodsire. And I don't know how this Lazzle escaped that alive. That was very well played on Gambit's part. Okay. So now that's not actually a problem for me. I'll win that eventually. We'll Toxically Annihilate too. Put the Fumigo in. Which are none right now. What is the Annihilate? Does turning it Steel get rid of Toxic? I don't think it does. I don't actually know how that interaction works. Okay. Yeah, this is where he can freely switch in the... Tatsugiri. Oh, he didn't freely switch in the Tatsugiri. I think that's a problem for him. Okay. We are okay with that. It's just gonna kill him eventually. I'll just... He thinks I'm Water Absorbed. I'm almost certain he thinks I'm Water Absorbed. That's the only way to explain that play. It means I... kinda want to Quick Recover, but I think this Salazzle stays in and goes for Fake Out, so let's Body Press it. Okay, that's fine. I'll Quick Recover next turn. That's bad. He no longer thinks I'm Water Absorbed. Okay. Those are dies eventually. Annihilate is sort of an issue for the rest of my team, though. I probably need to save Roaring Moon, especially if this goes to Game 3, I need to save Roaring Moon more. so we protect the Rotom. And we... Well... Let's think about this. We protect the Rotom. And we click Tailwind, because close combat will kill the Dozo next turn. Yes, okay. That's gonna hurt. Ooh, that just killed. Ooh, that sucks. He called every protect correctly, too. He played this very well. Just kind of want to force him to show what else he has. Let's see if we can get this toxic kill. Terra Steel, Terra Blast. Wave Crash. Order Up. Sub. So no Protect on the Dozo. Okay, the way I win here is I get a triple protect and he switches into Tatsugiri here. Like, that's the only way I win. Okay. No, I don't. See, Fake Out and Sludge Bomb. And Salazzle. Salazzle has no Scarf. It does outspeed my team based on the way that I built it, but that's okay. Will-O-Wisp miss really sucked earlier. Okay, and we're back. Hopefully I remember to edit that out. This is tricky, because he definitely has a way to stop Trick Room. If I get Trick Room up, Hatterene does well. And Hariyama does really well into the Dondozo. Salazzle could be Covert Cloak very easily. And if he leads in Prison Trick Room, it's a very bad matchup for me. I think that's just too much risk on the Trick Room lead. But I could bench the... What if we just go like this? I still need the Clodsire, absolutely. And then do I want the Hariyama? Like, there's a world where I want the Hariyama over the Flamigo. I think the Flamigo's a win more, so let's actually use the Hariyama over the Flamigo. Yeah, let's do this. Because the way he's playing makes me think that that Salazzle might be Covert Cloak. I almost want to double protect here because if he calls the right double up, then I'm in trouble. But I think, because I know there is no... I think Will-O-Wisping the Dondozo is always correct. And then I'll Dragon Claw the Salazzle spot. Yes. Okay. This is okay. Especially, yes, that connects. Okay, I think even if Rotom goes down here, we take that trade. Because now the burn's up and the Clodsire is going to be really good against it. That's got to be Scarf. And I need to protect the Roaring Moon. I think we swap in the Hariyama here, and we protect the Roaring Moon, because that's got to be like Scarf U-turn. Or Scarf Close Combat. And based on the way he's positioning it, hard switching to Tatsu, okay. That was a good play by him, because now I've wasted my Mirror Herb. Okay, so it's a... yeah. So you're playing a Clodsire game now. Fair Steel. So Hariyama is going to be in a good position with it. Went a little poorly, but it's fine. Because now it's stuck on the field. Its damage output's not ever going to be great. I know it doesn't have Protect. So let's just fake it out. Get the Clodsire in. And haze it all away. Oh, that's not how Fake Out works. Do we sack the Rotom here? I think sacking the Rotom makes a bit of sense. So it gets Fake Out later, and then we'll just haze it all away here. Yeah, we live back a super burn. Because unless something changed in recent generations, that doesn't get blocked. I'm a little blurry. And I turned off the wrong thing. I fixed the blur. I'll deal with it later. There it goes. So just Hydro Pump here for damage, and this thing's at what? Now everything's neutral and burned. Yeah. I can just click recover freely. Unless he crit on the day. I wish I had a good way to get this Roaring Moon in, because one Dragon Dance is all I need. Honestly, I think I can probably sack the Hariyama. And then just recover again, probably. Yep, I get the Roaring Moon in, and then I can just start Dragon Dancing up, and I think I'm in good position. I can't sub anymore. He's got Order Up, Terra Blast, and so I get the Roaring Moon in. I Terra it to preserve as much HP as possible. He's burned, it's going to be neutral. I can just, if I get 2 Dragon Dances active, it's probably ideal. One could do it. One probably does it. I don't want to give him 3 attacks. So here comes an Order Up. Oh, went for the Wave Crash. Bold choice. Body Crash takes it down. Body Crash takes it down. Depends where I think the Scarf is here. Because if the Scarf is on that Annihilate, I could have some issues still. Because this isn't the fastest Roaring Moon. Probably need to... I just want to see what it goes for. And Toxic the Annihilate. Yeah, definitely needed one more Dragon Dance up, because if this is max speed, I have some issues. Oh, that's fine. That's super fine. I'm pretty sure this kills me, but we deal with that. Only potential issue is if the Geary's the one with the Scarf, which I thought it might have been after game 1. Max speed Scarf might actually outspeed this Roaring Moon, but I don't think it can kill. So just Dragon Claw. And I don't know what does more damage here. Probably Hydro Pump. Wait, we can figure this out. 180 divided by 4 is still a bigger number than 20. Yep, okay. Good games to Gambit. Tricky set to navigate, but I think I brought the right tools this week. Flowed perfectly game 1. He played excellently game 2, and then game 3 we got it to work out. So yeah, moved to 2-0 in the season. Fun sets, but good games to Gambit, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.